Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have the unboxing of the Oppo Pen for the Oppo Find N2. I've always been one to say that I'm not big on stylus. I don't really care for a stylus for my phone, but I feel like I'm in it for the long haul with this phone. So I want every accessory I can get for it, so I picked this up. So I'm gonna unbox this, get it charged up, and let you know how well it works with this phone. I'm also gonna let you know if it works with the Flip. So let's get into this. Alright, there's something else here. We got instructions here. I look for them to be all in Chinese, and they are. So we can't read these. We'll put this back in here. Let's get the pen out first. Here's the pen. Nice looking. There's a clicky button here. Got a tip there. And here, it looks like we have a pen holder. I know I need to charge it. Alright, this is magnetic. So yes, it goes right in here. And it's in there. Like swimwear. If you look here at the bottom, where I've inserted the pen, there's a USB Type-C slot. I'm going to throw this on the charger. And once we're all charged up, I'll get this in action for you and let you know how it works and what it works with. Alright, I'm supposed to let this charge for an hour and 10 minutes. I ain't got an hour and 10 minutes. I'm busy. So I let it charge so I knew it had enough juice for us to test out what we need to test out. FYI, this has a 220 milliamp battery in it. This is a charging case, but I mean, this is a pretty good way of not losing your pen, right? Has its own charging case. Shout out to Oppo just for that. But this is supposed to get you 13 hours of use, right? I don't know if that's 13 hours non-stop, 13 hours if you've never put it in the wireless charger. Like I said, we'll see. This has a glossy and matte finish, so I guess that's aesthetically pleasing to both parties. A little bit of branding there on the tip, and a little button here. So let's see if we can get this thing connected to our Oppo Find N2. You know, I gotta play with everything, being this is magnetic. I want to see if it will stick to anything here, and it does not. But that's just the case. So we're gonna take our pen out. Will the pen stick to anything? No. Alright, let's get to moving. Does it just work in general? Let's see. I'm gonna open this bad boy up, because from my understanding, it's supposed to work on the inside. I don't see it doing anything. So I'm gonna press this button here. If I go into my Bluetooth devices, it shows a Oppo Pen here, right? So let's see if we can pair with that. We go in and tap it, use Bluetooth, auto update, agree and continue. We're gonna allow, and yes, we're gonna pair it. Sorry, I'm trying to use it already. Now at the top it has connected. So now it's connected. And if I tap, it works. I am not huge on like stylus for phones, but I want to be in this so I can see if it works. So I'm on the outer screen. I think I heard some rumors that it did not work on the outer screen, and I'm seeing that it does not. So no functionality on the outer screen, boo, right? This is only working on your inner screen, and I can just close everything out. So that's pretty neat. It'll stick on the inside. It might not stick on the outside, but it'll stick on the inside. It's pretty neat. I mean, I know the phone has a magnet in it, so I figured it would stick at some point, but you can take pictures. How about that? That's a screenshot. I'm just tapping the button to see what all it does. So double tap gives you a screenshot. Let's see if I turn this on. Can I take a picture with my pen? I can take pictures with the pen. Pretty neat. So I'm gonna bring my case over here. Say I wanna line it up, take a picture. And I took a picture. All right, so that's pretty neat. I guess if you wanna do the whole S Pen thing and take pictures with your pen, you can do that. And it's funny, I told you that I didn't have a full charge, but I guess I did connect it to 100%. I can unpair it, contact sharing. Okay. I'm curious to know, what other features might be available via this pen. That's just something I think I'm gonna have to play with and kind of let you know and add to this video. Next up, I wanna see if it works on the Find N2 Flip. So this is the Find N2 Flip. I'm gonna come down, turn on my Bluetooth and see if it picks up on, maybe I'll have to unpair it from this one first. It's trying to pair to my watch. It's funny to me that it always does that. I can be already connected and there's my pen. So I'm gonna hit the pen. So I'm gonna pair it. Oh gosh, I keep trying to pair it without pairing it with my hand first. So I'm connected with my pen. But it's not working. How about that? Not working with the pen, even though it says it's connected with the pen. I will tell you that via Desktop, it says it has compatibility with the Huawei MatePad Pro, which is weird to me because Huawei is not Oppo. This is just what Desktop says. But yeah, I'm telling you now, it doesn't work with this device on the inside, which is kind of sad. I had some hope there. Doesn't work on the outer screen either, but it is paired. So my thing was gonna be, hey, I can switch it up between the two. Let's see if I can take a picture. Okay, so it does at least take pictures. So if I go back out of here, nice blurry picture I just took. I can take all the pictures I want, but there's no action with getting apps to open, turning on Samsung, going in text message. There's nothing. No functionality except for taking pictures on the Oppo Find N2 Flip. And just because I'm a jerk, I'm gonna see if I can pair it to both devices at the same time. So I'm connected to the pen over here, but not over here. So I don't think it's gonna connect to both at the same time. So I'm gonna unconnect it here. So we're disconnected there, and we're back connected here. Immediately it connected after I was done. Oh, keep forgetting I'm on the outer screen. Inside screen only, people. But once you get on that inside screen, you can do what you like. Make sure you always turn on your developer options. You really gimp your phone when you don't have developer options on. And that's under additional settings. Because I'm one who likes my animations to be decreased and things like that. All my animations are at 0.5. And I like the force dark mode too. Any app that's mostly white will be dark, and all is well in the world. You reserve your battery life, and that's probably why I get great battery life. I will give you an update on this pen after I've used it for a bit. The charger does hold a charge, or it does have a charging mechanism in it within the charger, because once I stuck it back in there, it says it's charging. So it's 98% is charging. Shout out to the Oppo Pen. So I guess that's gonna be for my creators who want to do a little bit of editing. Maybe do your thing on Canva and some other things. I'd like to thank you for dropping by the channel and checking out my unboxing of the Oppo Pen for the Oppo Find N2 and very limited Oppo Find N2 Flip. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. If you've enjoyed multiple videos on this channel, you might want to subscribe. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you'd like to see what those memberships have to offer, please click on the join button, and that'll tell you what each tier of membership offers on my channel. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money, and I hope to catch you on the next video with one of these great devices Or maybe even both of them. Holla!